Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about creating PDB by plugging in an unplugged PDB. So in this practice you will be performing the following: create a PDB by plugging in an unplugged PDB using XML file, create a PDB by plugging in an unplugged PDB using the archived PDB file. Practice assumption: you have the MRV1 and CDB database up and running. So let's bring up the database. First, let's start the server. So MRV1 will start the server. Okay, the server has started. So now we log into PuTTY. So we will start up our database. Okay, database started. Now retrieve the list of PDP4 data file. This step is just to understand where the data files are located. So we will run this. Run this command. So as you can see, it's under ORA data, CDB1, then the GUID of the PDB4, then data file, and then the files are located. Okay. We can also check the GUID from this query. As As you can see, this grid matches with this grid. Okay. Now the next command is alter pluggable database PDB4 unplug the XML file. We'll unplug the PDB4. Okay, now let's log into another section in PuTTY. So we can see that pdb4.xml is created. Verify that the Unplugged PDB is still part of CDB catalog. When you unplug a PDB, records will be saved in the data files to indicate that a PDB was properly and successfully unplugged. So if we run this query, so PDB4 is showing unplugged. Now we will drop the PDB4 database and keep the data files. Okay. Now let's verify whether the PDB4 is in the catalog. No rows selected, so it's removed from the catalog. Check the compatibility of the unplugged PDB with the CDB. In our scenario, this step is actually not needed because you are going to plug the PDB into the same CDB. But if you were plugging the PDB into a different CDB, you should check the compatibility of the unplugged PDB and with the new host CDB. If the output of the code below indicates that PDB is not compatible, examine the PDB underscore plug underscore in underscore violations view to see why it is not compatible. So we can run this query. Let's run this. So nothing is displayed, so it is compatible. In our case, it says it is compatible. Okay, so that's fine. We will create a PDB file. We'll create PDB file using the XML file. Okay, so the pluggable database is created. Now let's verify the status in open mode of the plugged PDB. the command. It's very new. Select the open mode. Mode is mounted. It's not opened yet. So we can open the PDB. We'll open the PDB. Okay. Now we will connect to the PDB and test. Connect. No listener. Okay. So here we have start the listener. Listener is started. Let's take some time. PDB5.local domain has one instance, so it should work. PDB5.local domain should work now. Okay, the connecting to easy connect is giving some problem. So what I have done is I have connected through alter session set container PDB5. As you can see, I have done alter session set container PDB5 and session alter. Then I did show call name. So call name is PDB5. So now if we run this, so this GUID is different from the unplugged PDB that we had. So now we can remove the XML file. Now we can remove the XML file. Okay. So next, create a new PDB by plugging in an unplugged PDB using PDB archive file. So we will alter set container PDB5. We have already in PDB5. Show call name is PDB5. So we will total size of objects within PDB5. Total size of objects within PDB5. 592 MB. Then we will alter session set container cbb $root then we will close the PDB5 database. Okay, now we will unplug PDB file into PDB archive file, so it's unplugged. Check the size of the generated PDB file. The size of the generated file should be a fraction of a total size of the PDB objects. Generated file is a compressed file, so we can run this command. (105M), whereas the PDB was of 500M. So that's fine. Now try creating the PDB6 from the PDB archive file using copy option. You should receive the error. This is because the source PDB has not been dropped. So we try to run this command. Because we are getting this error because the source PDB has not been dropped. So we will try to run this using this command. So the pluggable database has been created. Now we'll open the pluggable database. Okay, it's open. Now we can check the status. An open mode of the unplugged and plugged PDB. We will copy this. PDB5 is unplugged, PDB6 is normal. Now we will select the open mode. PDB5 is mounted and PDB6 is read write. Now to save this page, let's drop PDB5 and PDB6. we will drop PDB file. Then we drop PDB6. Okay, now if we run this command, we have PDB1, 2 and 3, PDB5 and PDB6 and PDB4 and dropped. So that's it friends, for creating PDB by plugging in an unplugged PDB. Thanks for watching and bye.